Okay, shapes. In the next 5 chapters, we will introduce shapes. In Excel, all the basic geographical elements are called shapes. Shape. Okay. For example, the points, 9 segments, rectangle, circle, ellipse, polylines, polygons, curves, labels, text box, callout, AutoShapes, chart, WordArt, editor, are all shapes. A complex chart, we will introduce chart in the next chapter. A complex chart is also is often consists of shapes, consists of basic geometric elements. For example, in this combo chart, for this chart, you can find points, lines, rectangles, okay, the tests, many shapes. In the second chart, you'll find also the nine, the tests, and the rectangles. So to learn the shapes can help us to understand the chart. Okay. First, related objects. Shapes is a collection object. All the shape in the worksheet contains in the shapes collections. Okay. The shapes collection has many add-related methods. Okay. For example, add shape, add line, add polyline, add a curve, add label. They use this method to create the related shapes. Okay. And the shape object has many properties. Non-related properties, field-related properties, chart properties, etc. Okay. This is a basic knowledge of shapes. Okay. Points. In Excel, we use a shape to represent points. Okay. To represent the point. To create points, we can use a shape method of a shapes object to create some shapes to represent points. Okay. This method has 5 parameters. The type is a required parameter, specifies the types of the auto shape to create. And left top specifies the position of this auto shape. The width and the height specifies the size of the auto shape. Okay. The type use these constants or values to represent the specified auto shapes. Let's see some example. Volume points and shape method. Okay. The first parameter specifies the types of the points. Okay. The position, the size, So the numbers are different. The numbers are different. So the point type, the auto shape, the type of the auto shape are different. Okay, wrong. Then we add 3 type of points in the worksheet. So we can use different shapes to represent points. Points. 9 segments. Okay. To create 9 segments, I use I9 method of shapes object. 4 parameters. Begin X, begin Y specifies the coordinate of the start point. End X, end Y specifies the coordinate of the end point. Okay. 2 point determines a 9 segment. This is an example. And 9 create a new 9. It returns a shape object. Okay. Use the 9 property of the shape object returns the 9. Then set the properties of the 9 to define the dash style, color, and the 9 height of this 9. Okay. Run. Okay, a 9 is created in the worksheet. The dash style is 3. Okay, then 9. The color RGB. The color is red. Okay, the 9 Ys. 9 Ys is 5. Nine segment. Rectangles are rounded rectangles, ellipses, and circles. Okay, includes the lines and the regions. Okay. Here, the method is also add shape. Add shape. When the type of the shape is the value is 1 or the constant is no, use the value. The value is 1, then create a rectangle. When the value is 5, then a rounded rectangle created. Value is 9, then create ellipse. Use the you both of the axes, the radius, if the radius of the ellipse are equal, then it's a circle. By default, use the AutoShape to create the rectangle or create the shape. It's a region. It's a region. Okay. If you want to delete the region, you can set the visible property, the field that visible property to false. Then become like this. Okay. By default, they are all regions. Okay, let's see the example. Okay, wrong. Rectangle, rounded rectangle, ellipse, circle, okay. The region, only nice. Polylines and polygons. When create polylines and polygons with XLVins, there are some issues. So we use another package called ComTypes, which is based on COM, similar to XLVins. To use ComTypes, first you should install the package. You can, if your computer is connected with internet, you can use the pip to install ComTypes. Okay, just like you install XLVins. Okay. After the package is being installed, then you can use it to create polylines and polygons. First, import the package. Okay, import create object function. Use the function to create Excel application and set visible to true. Add a workbook, and get the first worksheet. Then define the vertices of the polygon. Okay, it's a two-dimensional list. Each of the element is a list. The list has two elements. Means that coordinate x and coordinate y. That defines a vertices. A vertex. Okay. Then use the method add polyline to create the polyline. Use the PTS here. Set it as the parameter. Okay. And also by default, the region is created. If you set the field dot visible property set to false, then create the line. Okay, the line is a polyline. Okay, so the example. What is this? Use a polyline method of the shapes object. Run. Okay. If you return the object and set the field that visible property of the object, so this value to false, then at a polyline, okay. Polylines and polygons. Curves, similar to polylines and polygons. When we use XLVins to create curves, there are some issues. So we use another package, ComTypes. Use a two-dimensional list to define the points. Okay, the vertices. Then use ComTypes to draw the curve. Define the vertices. Then use add curve method or shapes object to add curve. PTS as a parameter. Okay, like this. Okay, run. Okay, curve. Labels. To create labels, use the method add label or the shapes object. There are five parameters. The first is orientation. Orientation. The value of the orientation is listed in the table. It can be downward, horizontal, horizontal rotated far east, mixed upward, vertical, vertical far east. At label method, at label, return a shape object SHP. Then set the string of the set the text of the label. Use SHP.text frame2 that text range that captures that text. Okay, use these properties to set a string, the text of the label, or text of the Python label. Okay, run. Okay, at the labels. Text box. Text box use a method add text box or shapes object to create text box 5 parameters. The type of the text box, the position, the size. Okay. Then use this syntax to specify the text of the in the text box. Okay. Run. What's the differences between text box and label? In the text box, you can set the alignment. Okay. Text box. Okay. Callout. Callout. You add a callout method to create a callout. Okay. Five parameters. First, type. Okay. We have 5 values for the type parameter. Cloud 4, cloud mixed. Cloud 1, cloud 3, cloud 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and mixed. Okay. Top, left and top defines the position of the callout. Width and height defines the size of the callout. And a callout also contains the text. Okay, you can use this syntax to specify the text for the callout. Okay, run. Callout. Okay. Okay, in this lesson, we will show you another type of callout. Okay. This type of callout, I did it. They're too nice. Okay. You can define the angle. Accent property, angle property. Wrong. This type of callout. AutoShapes. AutoShapes are predefined shapes in Excel. There are many preset shapes in Excel. They are listed as some of them are listed in the table. Okay, you can use AutoShape method to create AutoShape to specify the value for the first parameter to create the corresponding AutoShape. Okay. In fact, we have used the AutoShape method to create rectangle, ellipse, and points. Okay. So the example. Here we create 3 types of AutoShapes. Three types of. Here is a face. AutoShape. Okay, chart. In Excel, chart is also a shape. Is a type of shape. Use AutoShapes 2 method or shapes object to create a chart. There are many parameters. Versus style, the chart style. As a chart type, specifies the type of the chart. Line top specifies position. Y height specifies size. New layout specifies the layout. Okay. We will introduce charts in the natural captures in detail. So here we show the example and you select to get the chart data, then use a chart 2 method to create a chart. The chart type is a column cluster column chart. Run. Okay, the chart. WordArt. WordArt use as a test effect method of the shapes object to create a WordArt syntax. A test effect. The first parameter preset test effect. A preset test effect some embedded test effect. The test specifies the test for WordArt. Font name, font size, font bold, font italic, and left top specifies the position of the WordArt. The font format. Preset test effects. There are many built-in test effects. Use the value to specify the test effect you wanted. Okay. Example. Create 2 WordArt different tabs. Okay, WordArt different tabs.